What's up, everyone? It's your girl Dutchy V's here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm here with more mommy tips. Y'all, I have been so effing tired. It is not even funny. I know you guys can see it on my skin. It's no joke. My bags are bad. I got discoloration all over my face. I don't even know what that is. It's like red, irritating. I don't even know. My hair is falling off. You can see all my imperfections. But anyways, I've been so tired, you guys. So I'm so sorry that I am super late with this video. But I know that my true subscribers, they don't care. They're here forever. So anyways, let's get to it. Our house clean with kids. And so I've seen a lot of videos on TikTok here lately where women are crying, talking about how do you guys keep your house clean with all these kids. I am a mother of 4, well, technically 3, but my husband is also a baby because he never picks up after himself. And I feel like I'm gonna throw him in that category because I constantly have to remind him, and constantly, like I have to do with my children. So he's in that category, period. Not to say that he gets my nerves, not to say that I hate him for it, because honestly, I don't. I love my husband to death. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of tips because I know y'all need my help, okay? Get started, and I'm gonna go and start to talk about what it is that I use. I like to consider myself financially educated, somewhat. I'm not a professional, but I'm not gonna sit here and spend excessive amounts of dollars on cleaning products when vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap can do just about anything that any other cleaning product can do. And it's also safer, especially if you have babies running around your house. Looks like I do. Once in a while, I use Fabuloso. You call me a tree hugger, a plant lover, whatever, a butt kisser of Mother Nature. I am genuinely honored. But yeah, I mean, eco-friendly things. I mean, I'm so into eco stuff, and also just when I'm cleaning my oven or my bathtub or whatever, I just don't like the chemicals going into my nose and making me cough. It's I don't want to do that. So I keep it safe, and I do clean every week, so in my home. So yeah, I do budget buy. One thing that does help me maintain my house clean all the time is having a set schedule. Now, a lot of people are not schedule people. They can't keep track of it because sometimes life is random and life is just life. And even if you have a schedule, it's you can never keep up with everything, especially if you have a 3-bedroom home with 2.5 baths. It sucks. So I do a weekly schedule. So let's say 1 week I clean the bathrooms, and I make sure I deep clean the bathrooms. The second week I deep clean the kitchen. The third week I deep clean the bedrooms, and the fourth week I deep clean the dining room and the living room. That's how I maintain my home clean, because I do it every Monday, but every week is different. So my house gets clean monthly, but I have a schedule for it. I've seen people get their houses clean and they do their beds daily. They do their bedrooms daily, the bathrooms daily, the kitchen daily. I think that is easier for me. So I feel like for me, it's easier whenever I am cleaning one thing the whole week, because I have a chaotic home. Right now, my husband and I start cleaning about every other Sunday, and we deep clean the entire house with the kids. I truly believe that having a set schedule every week, or at least tackling one certain area of your home every week, is gonna freaking help you tremendously. Well, tip number 3 is get your family involved. I don't understand how there are moms who literally do everything and they don't get their kids involved. Not here, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not here. Because let me tell you, I clean up after myself, but it pisses me off when I have to clean up after everyone else. I get truly immensely enraged, and I'm not a nice person whenever I'm taking courses, I'm taking classes, and I'm working, and I have to cook, I have to clean after I cook, and then I have to do everybody else's laundry, and then above that I have to clean up after them. No ma'am, not here. I don't have the patience for that. So I am very verbal with everyone in the house except my 1-year-old, because my 1-year-old doesn't even know what is going on. All he knows is to throw popcorn all over the floor or cry when he wants something, or me. That's it. That is living the life, I tell you. But I'm very verbal. I'm like, clean your room, to my boys, clean your room. I tell my husband, Garrett, please help me with the dishes. If I'm gonna cook, take care of the dishes. Because one thing I notice about being the only woman in a house full of men is that if you don't tell them, they won't do it. They will not figure it out. Like, if I don't tell them to shower, they won't shower. That's disgusting. Like, but if I don't tell them to do something, they will live in this home and they won't do anything. So I constantly tell my husband to do things as well, because he constantly forgets. But one thing about being the only woman in a house full of men is that you have to be verbal. You have to be verbal. And men are not mind readers. And I know sometimes it's like, oh, why do we have to compromise by like getting loud, or like, you know, why can't they just do it? Well, if you sit around and wait for them to just do it, it's never gonna get done. So for me, it's like, I'm verbal. I tell my kids, all right, I need your help. I need you to wash the dishes. I need you to dry them and put them away. I'm gonna make dinner. And then my husband's doing something, and then all the kids are doing something, except my 1-year-old. He's probably screaming. But yeah, get your family involved. Trust me, you're not only, think about it like this, you're not just yelling and trying to like use them to get things done. You're teaching them, your children, how to be clean, how to keep their area clean, how to learn how to take care of things that, you know, have a value to them. Like a house, for instance. If you don't take care of a house, if you don't clean it, it's gonna fall apart, honey. Definitely get your family involved. Now, mommies with babies. This is something that I struggle with the most as well, is because it's hard for me to get anything done if my baby is not taking a nap. When I used to be a stay-at-home mom, sometimes I would cry because like he was crying, I was trying to clean or cook or do something, but then eventually I realized that, you know what, F this, I'm cleaning after grown people while I'm neglecting but like ignoring my baby to try to get something done around the house. I threw all of that mindset in the trash can and I prioritized my son. That's why I strongly suggest mothers who have babies. I know sometimes it's tiring and sometimes you want to nap when your baby naps, but that's usually when I used to get things done around the house. When the baby, as soon as I laid the baby down, it's okay. He's gonna scream for 10 minutes, but then he's gonna pass out, and I know that. And I would start doing stuff around the house. I took advantage of the time when he was napping. Definitely an indicator that you guys have to implement in your life is when the kid is sleeping, either you sleep yourself, take advantage of that, or do something. If you're gonna stay awake, instead of being on your phone scrolling on whatever it is that people scroll on today, use that time wisely. Either cook your dinner or clean up. Like, strongly suggested. Last and not least, tip number 5, take advantage of a day off. I know most people, they like to sleep in or lounge around, watch TV for the rest of the day. I can't do that, but I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just saying these are some tips, and I'm just saying take advantage of your time. Time is valuable, and it's something that we can't get back. You press play and it just keeps going forward. You can't go back, you can't nothing. Like it's a consistent, never stopping thing. So I always take advantage of my time when my mother-in-law is like, oh, I want to take the baby. Can I have him a full day? And I'm just like, yes, please. I need to do something. Like, I need to polish my table or like do something for myself. Like, take time for me. Take advantage of the time that you have on your day off or on Sundays. Ask your husband for an hour. Like, sweetheart, please, your boyfriend, your baby daddy, whatever the case is, give me an hour so I can clean the house. And actually clean the house, my love. Clean it. And yeah, that's how I manage to keep my house clean. I get surprised because I have a very busy life, you guys. It is like I'm super busy, and yeah, I still find time to clean my home because I hate living in a disgusting home. So I feel like it stresses me out and it makes me sad just seeing a dirty house. So yeah. Anyways, I love you guys. Please do something good for yourself because you deserve it. Until next time.